Hello viewer, how to fix missing previous chat history from Google Gemini application. Tap on profile icon from the top right corner. Go to Gemini app activity. First, you check your Gemini activity from here because Google save your all Gemini activities here. Open Google Play Store and make sure your Google Gemini application is updated. If your Google Gemini is not updated, please update your Gemini application. Now go back, open Gemini app, click on profile icon. Now go to feedback, tap on get start, and in this box tell that your Gemini activities are not saved. So after telling your issue, Google support team try to solve your problem. Tap on your chat icon and now see your all chat include here. So in this way you can fix your Gemini chat history missing problem.